What else? Hey, say we nya me dey na. Large. Bunch. Ameka say. Yeah.
Sonati Empire.
Fiti asia na yempene for sa rap nem wati wo wusu kami nya ko fa ko kwadro tama boy ameto so na rap ne me bubo me se dompe ka de ne mani mo nya mo bio afa ne me dai so ne se me de me man bedu baby na se wo bi anyi ma yempa mi akasa megina me na mu na ma she me trumpet apotra me ko me dansuom obede be pa obede na so we di na ye de to me ne Michael wusu kwasi ado me pe kasa ba me ho hene July 10th na ye wo me se gana for mo rapper na ba no ne matena na me di nchene maso bi janu fi se rap na me sense ne tama meto this day na me wie na me call as a rapper she me minimum na me mene I don't kasa hurry level na me jina mu pampe and I'm so na rappers in the be my die me track and to be deep na mani wana so gase e komo de me ba wadwene se me high no mo na me share dankan me twist na me saso me yin 1-1 rules entertainment label me pesa me bedom mo mo de manete me pimpam me ne mo beten tam hama te me ne pena wa follow my man I was say wine but mo fa me ko hu ni ma me ayi gbe dem se wa pema 17 the last 2 mu ana wa kan pele ma me akonya na beda ho na me ne wa bra for hip life se me kasa peno na me gina so Tiny Castro kwa kase de wo hu se bibisha na no peche se jane tu ato rap ni hu no se wanyi na me mache me first album producer ni J so Gilbert ono so wa ya na for me de fi se bit na shase ne ye hia trombo baby was a time I be the feature mugis and afa wo ne me ya dwene se that was a hit hip hop artists me fire the years artists and afa so me je best collabo back to boga na yeah then what be the man dwene ho se me so me ya boga one day and the love that I have for my time my boys feed adio panka ya siki money stage collabos that I did with a Timbila couple of songs alongside Lil Shaker but I suppose G to me my voice here dope oh wow and I love this nigga nyame to me say me then I made donations but you been a question where your sack collections I do bonity na me me amilebo bisa Angelo rena we be bisa me questions I don't know hitting in all directions I was imagine will show my perfections you go kill me with EL but I know your way back and you man more selections and I end up falling in love with Tracy say me perform up one and supply me Pepsi a lot of international collaboration I feel rapaholic emoji in 2020 BET for the 2019 and the VGA me answer the kono ne canteen emom last year me ko G business fear saboto but it in no mo la mo G and the collaboration I did with the suit don't tell me cap was they got rap too good the kind of opportunity me could turn me them my boys and the lockdown challenge appear tools first a trumpet or feature this system and the new fest BB banner say what you with in a share my yeah and a bomb they release it with their first big up to success bunch.
Congratulations, lovely people. Thanks for watching this video. My name is P for Prince and this is Yeshia. When we come on this program, we talk about our favorite celebrities, how they started and where they are now. And this is the first episode of it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you same time next week Friday. Bye!